Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Volvo S90. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, remote engine start, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, trip computer, child safety locks, cargo area light, real-time traffic, compass, rear floor mats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.